Hello students, I Aarti ma'am welcome you all to yet another session of English online class dated 6 October 2020. The topic of today's online class is a chapter from the first flight book, that is The Black Aeroplane. Today we will going to do the summary of this chapter. Along with we will know the brief introduction to the author, and because sometimes there are certain questions which are being asked about the author. It is very much impressive if you have a knowledge of author, and you demonstrate it in your answers. Okay, so let us start with the introduction to the author. The Black Aeroplane is written by Frederick Forsyth. Uh, the name of the author is Frederick Forsyth. He is born on 25th August 1932 in Ashford, United Kingdom. The year of service is between 1956 to 1958. There are certain manuscripts and literary work of his which has been produced or reincarnated into movies and TV. Some of them are The Day of Jekyll, The Odessa File, and there are much more. He also got the reward and awards from literary for his literary work. One of them is Edgar Award of Best Novel and Cartier Diamond Dagger Award. The most famous play of his is Love Never Dies. This is Frederick Forsyth. Now let us come to the summary of the chapter, The Black Aeroplane. Okay, The Black Aeroplane summary. The present story offers a psychological insight into a character under stress. It is an interesting account of the narrator's encounter with pilot of Black Aeroplane, who becomes who comes to his rescue and distress. It is mystery building around the Black Aeroplane and its pilot. Let us do certain difficult words. What do you mean by psychological? Psychological means it is related to mental or emotional phase. That is mental or emotional phase that is opposite to the physical, uh, how we physically react to in nature. We physically react to anything. Insight. What do you mean by insight? Insight means feeling of understanding or the perspective of a person or perspective in whole. Yeah, perspectiveness you can say. Okay, and encounter means to come across or experience as a reaction what is being encountered. Okay, rescue means to deliverance. It is mean deliverance, or to get away from the calamity, and that is the thing. And distress means a recovery from loss or suffering or hurt. You can say it is a state of adversity or danger when. Okay, it is a mystery, and mystery means secret, secrecy or secretive. So on the whole, in this passage it is said that this is a mental or psychological feeling or perspective of a author, that is narrator here, who had encountered or who has come across the pilot of the Black Aeroplane, who comes across and who comes across the pilot, and the pilot of Black Aeroplane rescues him from the distress or from the state where there was a vast danger to his uh, well-being, or you can say his life. Okay, Now let us come to the topic. A pilot was flying on an old Dakota plane at 10 o'clock at night. The stars were shining and there was not trace of cloud. The sky was clear and the plane was flying over France and going back to England. The pilot was extremely happy. He was lost in the dreams of his holidays and family. Around 1:30 a.m., he called Paris control room to inquire about the route and location. The control room instructed him to turn 12 degrees west. The pilot checked the map and the compass, switched over to his second and last fuel tank, and turned the plate 12 degrees west towards England. He expected to join his family for the breakfast. When Paris was uh, 150 kilometers behind, the pilot saw the black storm clouds approaching the plane. Approaching means to draw near or coming nearer. Okay? He could not fly over them. Also, he did not have any fuel to fly around them south or north. Initially means at the beginning. He thought of going back to Paris, but his strong urge to meet his family members led him straight into the storm. It was absolutely dark inside the clouds. The plane was jumping and twisting in the air. All the instruments had stopped working. The pilot lost his contact with the ground staff because his compass and radio had stopped functioning. Suddenly, he saw another aeroplane quite near him. That strange black aeroplane has no lights on its wings. The pilot of the black aeroplane also asked him to follow him. The pilot flew in the clouds for half an hour. He had only fuel left to fly another 15 minutes. The pilot was frightened. Suddenly, the black aeroplane descended and the pilot followed him. Finally, the black aeroplane guided him to an airport for landing. The pilot was thrilled to see the runway, but when he turned his head to thank the pilot of the black aeroplane, he could not see him anywhere. After landing, the pilot immediately means at once, rushed to the control center and inquired about the black aeroplane, which guided him all the way to the airport. The woman on the duty at the control center told him that no other plane was seen flying that night. She has only seen his plane on the radar. The pilot was surprised to hear all this and kept on wondering who had helped him to arrive and land safely without a compass or a radio and without any more fuel left in his tank. He kept thinking about the strange black aeroplane and its mysterious pilot. So, this was the summary of the black aeroplane.